Hello, my good people. Hear what Osun State Governor is saying. He says, I have blocked all leakages in Osun. No godfathers can take advantage. Osun State Governor Adeleke has stated that he made it impossible for any godfather to take advantage of his administration. He explained that he destroyed the influence of political godfathers who previously exploited the state's resources and assured Osun's finances were now channeled directly into development projects. While speaking during an interview on a Channels television, the governor stated that he says strict financial discipline and aggressive revenue generation strategies had enabled him to meet ambitious infrastructural targets despite inheriting a massive debt burden. He said, I blocked all the leakages to the extent that no godfather can take advantage of the system. Where it is not necessary to spend money, I block it. I am a very prudent administrator. I check it myself. That is why I am successful. I didn't owe anybody any favors because nobody financed my campaign. Speaking further, he disclosed that his government has been speedily repaying the state's debt while expanding the state's infrastructure. Infrastructure is very important. I'm not just doing the ones people will see. I go into the villages because our people are mostly farmers. If they don't have good roads, how will they bring their goods to town? I had 100 million naira infrastructure plan and people thought it was impossible. But in 2 years, I met the target, he explained. According to the governor, his administration has constructed about 150 kilometers of roads across Osogbo and the other cities, ensuring that even smaller towns benefit from at least 1.5 kilometers of road projects. He also highlighted the installation of street lights across newly constructed roads, transforming the state's night-time scenery. Adeleke credited his achievements to a revamped internally generated revenue system, which has reduced financial wastage and optimized state's earnings. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. In a related issue, hear what Adeleke too is saying. My brothers and sisters, you see, it is called that it records that Osun State Governor said, call them liars. Whoever says Governor Adeleke is doing nothing. Says APC shifting. A former Osun State House of Assembly Speaker and the prominent chieftain of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Ambassador Adejare has lauded Governor Adeleke for his development stride across the state. The immediate past ambassador to Mexico made the commendation while featuring on a Fresh FM's social political program, Agbami Oshelu, on Sunday. The two-term former Speaker of the State Assembly insisted that he will not allow himself to be clouded with political differences from saying the truth over what the state governor, a People Democratic Party member, has done for the state. The Ede-born grassroots politicians who contested and won 4 times into the state assembly stressed that the governor is doing well because of the large amount of allocation he's getting from the APC-led federal government. According to Ambassador Bello, every places I went, including Ede and Osogbo, where I live, Governor Adeleke is doing because the money he is receiving is much for someone not to do well. Those who are saying Governor Adeleke is not doing enough, that is fair to hear. But the moment one says the governor is doing nothing, either being APC, PDP, or political, that moment you should call the person a liar. Ambassador Bello, who did not root out his party from taking power from Governor Adeleke in 2026, said the governor is doing his best, but the current person is what we see. We don't know what another person who is coming will do. The person who will take over from Governor Adeleke, we don't know what he will do for the state. He added, calling on Nigerians to support their leaders with prayer. The APC chieftain said, let's us always pray for them, because any cause we direct to them will always come back to us. You see, this is what we are saying. Blaze News gathered that the current National Secretary of APC, Dr. Ajibola Bashiru, and the National Inland Waterways Authority Managing Director, Bola Oyebanji, among others, have shown interest to just to power from Governor Adeleke. My brother and sister, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, hear what some of our own are saying. This one says, God bless Ademola Jackson Adeleke for developing Osun State. You see, the end of 18 always justify the means. The truth is constant in life. Politicians, be truthful in all your dealings and their sayings, because posterity will remember you one day. Adeleke is doing his best. Where is Dr. Fayemi of Ekiti State and the Oshibajo Vice President today? Natural resources. If Aregbesola refused to beg his boss Tinubu, Aregbesola political career will be nowhere to be found today and forever. Who built New Osun State? Is it not under the leadership of APC party? Aregbesola is the one, whether leaving debt or not. Adeleke is just trying to repair the leftover work done by the APC. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. Yes, he said it, Adejare Bello, APC man, said, I heard it in the radio. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, you are free to say your opinion. Subscribe to this channel, share, love, and like. God bless Nigeria. God bless Osun State. Thanks and God bless. Amen.